Hello children, now we will do the exercises, back exercises of the lesson Little Fir Tree. Okay, so the back exercises are given on page number 27. So this is the back exercise. So first question is tick the correct answer. So you are given 3 options. 3 आपको आंसर के ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं. ये देखो, ये आपके ऑप्शंस हैं. क्वेश्चन इज द प्रिटी लिटिल फर ट्री वॉज हैप्पी विद द गोल्ड लीव्स बट प्रिटी फर ट्री जो था हमारा वो खुश था सोने की लीव्स जब हो गए थे, पर फिर भी वो अ गोट केम अलॉन्ग एंड एट देम ऑल द लीव्स गॉट वेट इन रेन अ मैन स्टोल देम. फिर क्या हुआ जब गोल्ड लीव्स हुई तो क्या हुआ था, गोट ने खा लिया या उसकी पत्तियां रेन में बारिश में गीली हो गई या फिर एक आदमी आके उनको चुरा के ले गया. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज अ मैन स्टोल देम. सो द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज अ मैन स्टोल देम. सो यू हैव टू पुट अ टिक इन दिस बॉक्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द फर ट्री वॉज सैड. फर ट्री दुखी क्यों हो गया था? बिकॉज इट हैड येलो लीव्स, बिकॉज इट हैड नीडल लाइक लीव्स, because it was very short. So the option correct is second one, because it had needle like leaves. उसकी जो पत्तियां थी वो सुई जैसी थी. So the next one, the last one on this page is the fir tree was not happy with the gold leaves. fir tree जो था वो gold leaf से खुश नहीं था. हमें पता क्यों खुश नहीं था, क्योंकि चोर आके उसे चुरा के ले गया था. So let's see the option. Because the goats came and ate them up, a man stole them, the gold leaves broke. तो इसका ऑप्शन क्या आएगा? अ मैन स्टोल देम. सो दिस इज गिवन ऑन पेज नंबर 27. यू कैन डू इट इन द बुक ओनली. ओके, नो नीड टू राइट इन द नोटबुक. यू कैन डू दिस इन द बुक ओनली. So we go to the next exercise on page number 28. So I have already solved this for you. Question is under the topic word building. By changing the circled words to its opposite, rewrite these sentences. One has been done for you. So you can see here the circled words. You have to write the opposite of this word and write the sentence again. So what is the opposite of light? The opposite of light is heavy. So instead of light we will write heavy and write the sentence again. I carry a light bag. Opposite will be I carry a heavy bag to school every day. Next is Reena won. One means when you win something, when you get a prize, okay, that is winning, when you come first. Okay, so Reena won the race. So what is the opposite of won? It is lost. When you don't get anything or you are lost in the race, so Reena lost the race. You can write this in the space given. Next is I love. What is the opposite of love? Yes, it is hate. So I love, we will rewrite using I hate. I love eating vegetables. I hate eating vegetables. Okay, then this glass of milk is full. What is the opposite of full? It is empty. You can see the glass here, it is empty. Okay, so this glass of milk is empty. Next one is the old man is wise. Wise means somebody who is very intelligent, okay, who can give us solutions to our problems, and he himself finds the solution to the problems. And what is the opposite of wise? It is foolish. Foolish means बुद्धू. ठीक है, जो अपना दिमाग नहीं यूज करता. someone who does not use his brain. The old man is wise, the old man is foolish. We have to use opposite of wise, that is foolish. Next exercise, question number 2 on page number 28 is you have to make opposites using un and im. Okay, now un and im will always come in front of the word. You begin with un or im. It will not come in the end. When it comes in the beginning, it is called prefix. So you have to prefix them. इसको पहले फिक्स कर देना है. That is prefix un and im. un and im. So happy. When you use these prefixes, the word will become opposite. So happy means opposite of happy is sad, but you can write also for sad you can write unhappy. Unhappy also means sad. Happy, unhappy, happy, sad. Okay, unhappy and sad is the same, meanings are the same. So for happy we will write unhappy. For polite we will write, you can use both, you can write unpolite also, you can write impolite also, both are correct. Unpolite, impolite, impolite, I am impolite. Seen, unseen, seen, unseen. Proper, improper. Lucky, unlucky. Possible, impossible. Okay, easy. Okay, next is important. Okay, already im is there, important, so you will use unimportant. Important means which is urgent, okay, which is necessary. Unimportant means which is not urgent or which is not necessary. Okay, then perfect, and opposite will be imperfect. Healthy, unhealthy. Safe, unsafe. Patient, impatient. Okay, now here patient means when you are sitting with a cool head, okay, when you are calm. And impatient means you are moving here and there, you are shouting, yelling, speaking, okay, that is impatient. Pure, impure. Pure, impure. I hope it is clear to all of you. Okay, so we go to the next one now. Next one is Rita loved her dog. Every day Sheru would go out of the house and come back himself. So Rita had a dog named Sheru. This is Rita, this is Sheru. So every day Sheru would go out of the house and come back himself. You know why your dogs go out? They go out and they urine and they pass their stool outside and they keep your house clean. That is why they go out. Okay, they are trained like that and they come back after that. But one day what happened? But one day he did not come home. Rita looked everywhere for him. Tears rolled down her cheeks. Now one day he did not come back. शेरू वापस नहीं आया तो रीता रोने लग गई, इधर उधर देखा और उसकी आंखों से आंसू आने लगे. शेरू वॉज लॉस्ट. शेरू गुम हो गया था. He was nowhere to be found. कहीं पर भी नहीं मिल रहा था. Rita was crying. रीता रो रही थी. When she reached home, घर आके रोने लगी. She got into her bed. बेड में घुस गई. All of a sudden something jumped on her. एकदम से कुछ उसके ऊपर छलांग सी किसी ने लगाई. Can you guess who it was? Yes, it was शेरू. कभी भी डॉग्स अपना घर का रास्ता नहीं भूलते. आप डॉग्स को कहीं भी कितनी भी दूर छोड़ के आ जाओ, वो आपके घर वापस अपने घर वापस आ ही जाते हैं. Okay, so Rita was very happy. Now again what we have to do is write, give the opposite. It is give, G-I-V-E, give the opposite of the words in blue. जो भी blue में लिखा है उसका opposite लिखना है. First is loved. Okay, what is the opposite of loved? It will be hate, H-A-T-E, hate. Okay, then next is after loved, next one is go out. Here is go out. Go out will be come in, come in. Okay, next is again come. For come it is go. Next is every day. Here is every day. Sorry, every day, it's not every day, everywhere. Everywhere it will be nowhere. Everywhere means सब जगह. Nowhere means कहीं नहीं. Down, very easy. Up. Okay, next is again nowhere. Nowhere opposite will be everywhere. Write down every and where. Next is crying. Crying is laughing. Okay, next is happy. Happy is sad. You can also write unhappy. Both are correct. Okay, next we are left with one more. Here is lost. Lost will be found. Okay, so let me count if I have left anything. It is out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we have done it. So here are the opposite of loved, hate. Go out, it is come in. Then opposite of come is go. Everywhere is. Yes children, we come to the next question on page number, this is 29 of the little poetry. So rewrite the passage below using capital letters where necessary. Now where do we use capital letters? The first capital letter we use is when we start the sentence, that is the first letter of the first word will be capital. Next, any proper noun. What is now proper noun? Is the name of a person, place or thing. So here it is Amarjit. Let me read it once. Once Saturday afternoon, Amarjit and his little sister Rani went for a picnic to India Gate. There they saw ducks, water and their friend Raj. Okay, so we have to put capital letter. So I told you when we start the sentence, first letter first word is always capital. So O will be capital. Next, Saturday is the name of a day. So S will be capital. Again, Amarjit is the name of a person. So A will be capital. And his little sister's name is Rani. So R will be capital. Then they went where? To India Gate. India Gate is the name of a place. In India, India Gate is the name of a place, historical place. Next, again after full stop, the first letter of the first word will be always capital. Okay. Then they saw ducks. Ducks are many. It is a common noun. So it will be small only. Then water and their friend Raj. Now again Raj is name of a person. So R will be capital and we will end the sentence with the full stop. Okay. So let us write. Okay, I am writing. So it will be O capital. One Saturday afternoon Amarjit, A capital, Amarjit and his little sister. Now name of the sister is given Rani. So R will be capital. Rani went for a picnic to, now India Gate, I capital, gate will be also capital, India Gate, full stop. There they saw ducks, comma water, then and their friend Raj. So R will be capital and full stop. So one Saturday afternoon, Amarjit and his little sister Rani went for a picnic to India Gate, full stop. There, T will be capital. They saw ducks, comma water and their friend Raj. R will be capital and full stop. Okay. Next is again, oh dear, said the fir tree, I like my old needle-like leaves best, for goats don't eat them and no man can steal them. So here I will show you from the book only where it is given. Now as you can see here, O will be capital, oh dear. then we have an exclamation mark and inverted commas, said the fir tree, full stop. Again I, after full stop, the next sentence, first letter or first word will be capital. I like my old needle-like leaves best, comma, for goats do not eat them, full stop, no man can steal them. You can write from here also. So children, I have written, oh dear, said the fir tree, full stop, I like my old needle-like leaves best, for goats do not eat them and no man can steal them. Okay, so that's the solution. So you can write from here also, from the book also. In the book it is written that goats do not eat them, then full stop is there. Then the next sentence would start with no. So for no, N will be capital if you write from the book, but here it is given together, then and no man. So here N will be small. So we now come to page number 30. Here is let's talk. Okay, look at the picture below. There is a picture below here. In the yellow box there are, this is the yellow box, there are 8 things, that is ducks, mat, dog, girl, boy, tree, fountain and flowers. You can see 6 of them in the picture. You cannot see the other 2. Write down the other 4 things that you can see. Out of these, only 6 things you can see. You can see the ducks, you can see the mat, then you cannot see the dog, then there is a girl, there is a boy, there are trees, then fountain is not seen, and there are flowers. These are the flowers. So we have to write down 4 things that you can see from here. Okay, so the 4 things we can see is a ball, a banana. Okay, so I am going to write the 4 things: ball, then ball, banana, then what we can see? We can see these are mushrooms. See, this red one is a mushroom. MUSHROOMS, mushrooms. Then what else we can see? We can see a butterfly here. So we can write down BUTTER, butter and fly. Now look at the picture again and describe the picture. Describe the picture means you have to tell about this picture. Okay. Now what can you write? We can write a boy. We can say a boy and a girl are on a picnic spot. This is a picnic spot. So they are here. Okay. They have a ball. They have a ball. Then they can see birds and ducks. Birds and ducks. Full stop. Then there are, you can write there are flowers and butterflies also, and you can stop here also. Okay, so okay children, we come to page number 31. Now page number 31 is an activity which you have to do at home. Now here this is fun time. Now here you can see there is a flat bowl sort of a utensils in which flowers are grown and green plants are grown. So here Ajit loved flowers. He always wanted to have a garden for himself. So Ajit is a boy. He loved flowers. उसको flowers बहुत अच्छे लगते थे और उसको एक garden चाहिए था अपने लिए. Mohan, his friend, gave him an idea. अब मोहन जो उसका फ्रेंड था उसने उसको एक आइडिया दिया. He said, why we can have a garden in a dish. हम एक छोटे से डिश में, डिश मीन्स ऐसा फ्लैट बर्तन होता है, उसके अंदर हम गार्डन बना सकते हैं. तो अजीत ने क्या, अ गार्डन इन अ डिश, क्या हम एक गार्डन एक डिश में बना सकते हैं, बर्तन में बना सकते हैं. तो जो उसका फ्रेंड था मोहन, उसने कहा यस यस, डिश गार्डन्स आर टाइनी गार्डन्स प्लांटेड इन अ शैलो, शैलो मतलब जिसमें थोड़ा सा होल जैसा होता है, जिसमें जैसे हम पक्षियों को पानी देते हैं मिट्टी के बर्तन में, वो शैलो होता है, ठीक है। और वी मस्ट फर्स्ट पुट सैंड, अब उसमें डालना क्या क्या है, थोड़ा सा रेत डालो, मैन्योर मतलब खाद, जो बच्चे गांव में रहते हैं या जहाँ पे गाय या भैंसें होती हैं तो आप गोबर भी डाल सकते हैं, वही मैन्योर होता है। एंड पेबल्स मतलब थोड़े से पत्थर, आप कलर्ड भी डाल सकते हैं या फिर जो नॉर्मल पत्थर होता है वो डाल लीजिए उसके अंदर। और उसके अंदर प्लांट वेरी टाइनी प्लांट्स इन इट एंड प्लेस दिस डिश ऑन द विंडो से, और आपने छोटे छोटे प्लांट्स जो ज़्यादा बड़े नहीं होते या जिसमें बड़े बड़े पत्ते नहीं होते वो आप प्लांट कर सकते हो, ठीक है। सो दिस इज़ एन एक्टिविटी फॉर यू, योर हॉलीडेज आर गोइंग ऑन, इफ़ योर हॉलीडेज आर गोइंग ऑन यू कैन डू इट एंड प्लेस इट ऑन द विंडो सिल। वहाँ कहाँ रखना है, जहाँ पे खिड़की के पास, जहाँ पे आपको पौधे को धूप मिले, तभी वो बड़ा होगा, ठीक है। ओके, नाउ ग्लास, दिस इज फिनिश्ड। नाउ ग्लास ब्रेक्स इजीली, आपको पता है कि कांच जल्दी से टूट जाता है व्हेन इट इज ड्रॉप। डू यू थिंक अ मड फ्लावर पॉट, मिट्टी का बना हुआ फ्लावर पॉट, अ ग्लास स्पून, ग्लास का चम्मच, अ वुडन टेबल, अ प्लास्टिक कप, बुक्स और योर प्लास्टिक वाटर बॉटल कैन ब्रेक इजीली। जो ग्लास है वो टूट तो जाता है, पर ये जो चीज़ें हैं, मड पॉट, ग्लास स्पून, वुडन टेबल, प्लास्टिक कप, बुक्स, प्लास्टिक वाटर बॉटल, क्या ये भी जल्दी जल्दी टूट जाते हैं। सर्कल द थिंग्स दैट कैन, इसका मतलब है वो वाली चीज़ों को हम सर्कल करें जो जल्दी टूट जाता है। तो क्या क्या हम सर्कल करेंगे, सबसे पहले मैंने किया फ्लावर पॉट, अगर ये मिट्टी का है तो जल्दी टूट जाएगा, फ्रेंड दिस विल नॉट ब्रेक। अ प्लास्टिक कप विल नॉट ब्रेक, नहीं टूटेगा। बुक्स नहीं टूटेंगे एंड योर प्लास्टिक वाटर बॉटल विल नॉट ब्रेक। सो सर्कल द थिंग्स दैट कैन मीन्स सर्कल उस पर लगाना है जो चीज़ें टूट जाएगी। सो मड पॉट एंड ग्लास का स्पून, दिस विल ब्रेक। Now we come to page number 32. So the question number is 3. Which of the following actions would make others happy and unhappy? Actions that make people happy you have to write here, and actions that make people unhappy or sad you have to write here. Unhappy and sad means the same thing. Okay, so I am just going to put tick marks, then you can write here. So all the things that make people happy I am going to put a tick mark. First one is respecting elders. Yes, it makes them happy. Not saying thank you, no, people become sad. Next is being polite. अगर आप प्यार से बात करते हैं, yes, it makes people happy. Playing with friends, yes, it makes your friends happy. It makes you also happy. Visiting a sick friend, yes, अगर हम किसी बीमार से मिलते हैं तो वो दोनों खुश होते हैं, हम अपने फ्रेंड को देख के भी खुश होते हैं और सिक फ्रेंड जो है वो भी हमें देख के खुश होता है। नॉट शेयरिंग, ओके, अगर हम किसी को अपनी चीज़ें शेयर नहीं करते, इट मेक्स देम सैड और अनहैप्पी। वॉचिंग टेलीविजन ऑल डे, अब ये देखो इसमें क्या होता है, बच्चे हैप्पी होते हैं और मम्मी पापा अनहैप्पी होते हैं। सो इट इज़ योर चॉइस। I don't think that watching television all day will make you also happy. So this is no. Next is telling lies. Of course, this is making you also sad, others also sad. Being greedy. Greedy means मुझे ये भी चाहिए, मुझे वो भी चाहिए, सब कुछ चाहिए, वो that makes people unhappy. Caring for pets. Yes, it is a happy action. Getting angry easily. No. Then being honest. Honest मतलब सच्चे होना, that makes you happy. So I'm going to write it down here and then you can see. Yes children, so you can see I have written down here the things which make people happy, that is respecting elders, playing with friends, caring for pets, visiting a sick friend, being polite and being honest. And the things that make people unhappy or sad is not saying thank you, not sharing, watching television all day, getting angry easily, being greedy and telling lies. So now we come to the next page. Next page is page number 33, and let's listen, read and write. So here it is written, let's listen, read and write. There was a thick jungle. So let me see if it is there or here. Yes, it is. There was a thick jungle with beautiful green trees and birds. So there was a thick jungle. एक जंगल था जहाँ पे ट्रीज थे, हरे हरे ट्रीज थे और बर्ड्स थे. कोयल was singing happily. Okay, suddenly she heard someone crying. कोयल अपना खुशी खुशी गाना गा रही थी, तो उसने क्या सुना? किसी को सुना रोते हुए. It was her friend, the peacock. It was the friend, the peacock. Peacock उसका जो friend था वो रो रहा था. She flew to him and asked. वो उड़ के उसके पास गई. ये देखो, this is the कोयल and this is the peacock. Okay, so वो उड़ के उसके पास गई. क्या पूछा उसने? Why are you crying? तुम क्यों रो रहे हो? I hate myself. I have such ugly feet. मेरे पैर कितने गंदे हैं. बिल्कुल सुंदर नहीं है. Ugly means जो देखने में बिल्कुल सुंदर नहीं होता है. Okay? Some things make you feel happy. Some things make you feel sad. Write a poem on this picture. अब इस पिक्चर को देख के आपने एक पोएम लिखनी है. So that is up to you how to write. Okay, you can come out with your own creativity. Okay, you have to write a poem on this picture. Okay, आपने पिक्चर को लेके मीन्स एक जैसे पोएम के अंदर एक छोटी सी स्टोरी होती है, ऐसे आपने पोएम लिखनी है. जैसे कि पीकॉक है, देन सम वर्ड्स फॉर द पोएम आर पीकॉक, माई लेग्स, अगली, कोयल, क्राइंग, हैप्पी, सैड. इन वर्ड्स को यूज़ करके आपने पोएम लिखना है. सो चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज़ द लास्ट पेज of the back exercise 34. Now here is an activity. You have to make a word tree. This is how you will do it. Take a long green sheet of paper or newspaper, roll it like this. आपने एक पेपर लेना, उसको रोल करना है. Hold the roll of paper firmly in one hand and cut 4 slits. आपने 4 कटिंग्स डालनी है. ठीक है, रोल हो जाएगा पेपर, तो आपने 4 कटिंग्स डालनी है. Then still holding the paper firmly, bend back all the 4 sections of the cut paper. आपने ये जो पेपर के पीसेस हैं इसको पीछे की तरफ जैसे एक फूल बन जाए इस तरह से उसको मोड़ना है. Pull out the branches. Do this by pulling up the cut section slowly, carefully from the center. आपने यहाँ से ये जो पत्तियाँ हैं इसको ऊपर ऊपर को खींचना है and then खींचना है, सेंटर से धीरे धीरे खींचना है, तो आपका ऐसे पत्तियाँ खुल जाएंगी. Then carefully write the words related to leaves on the trees and make a word tree. Now make sentences of these words. आपने इसके ऊपर क्या लिखना है? Trees से related, okay, leaves से related आपने लिखना है. जैसे आप लिख सकते हो gold leaves, then needle like leaves, then round leaves, long leaves, short leaves, hard leaf, short leaf. Okay, लीफ के बारे में आपने लिखना है. Then you have to make a sentence with these words. Okay, the fir tree, you can say the fir tree had first needle like leaves, then it had round leaves, then it had golden leaves, then it had glass leaves. Okay, you can make some sentences, or you can simply write the fir tree had needle like leaves, then the fir tree was happy with the golden leaf, like that you can write. Okay, so children, that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, take care.